Yeah. So, good evening, guys. Welcome to Durga Soft online training sessions. And myself, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. See, this batch is actually, there are two batches in this. So, the title of this batch is Basic Java Package. So, in this batch, let me give the complete information about the course details, then we will see remaining things. So what courses will be covered in this? So first we are going to see core Java. So then we are going to discuss about JDBC like advanced Java. Then servlets, it is also related to the advanced Java. So JSP, after that we are going to finish so UI technologies, so like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, these are things we are going to see. And even we are going to talk about Oracle 19c, and with all these tools we are going to develop one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java package course. Okay, the duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April. And fees for this particular batch is 12,000, including materials and videos. And very important, timings. So the timings of this batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Normal track in the sense, slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay. And in these, there are two batches. The people who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module one. Course one is nothing but so only core Java. So you can pay and you can register by paying rupees 5,000 for only core Java. And course 2 is nothing but what? This basic Java package. Okay, basic Java package. In this, all these four courses like core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, and Oracle. These four courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 12,000. So it is up to you, your choice. So if you want to develop the complete full stack, better to go for this basic Java package. If you need only core Java, you can go for this. Okay. So up to 1.5 months or 2 months, only core Java will be there. So parallelly, we are going to discuss this UI technologies as well as Oracle. But once if the completion of core Java over, then only we will discuss about JDBC, servlets, JSP like that. Okay, this is nothing but our course pattern, course details. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Then I will show you the syllabus. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this batch got started. It is an add-on batch. The batch is started last week. It is an add-on batch.
Sir, what is this add-on batch? Matlab, already the 1 week for the past 1 week, something why already might have been covered.
Yes, those things
It-
I will cover for you people.
Okay, that means
So
again, it is not a starting new batch.
no, it is a starting batch only. Last Monday we started a new batch, sir. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever
Okay.
topics I covered for them, I'm going to take for you people. And I have given some short break for that batch for 3 days.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
you understood my point, right?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah, right. Any other queries regarding the course details.
Uh, Hello, sir. What's the
Yes,
duration for the course Java?
ma'am.
What's the duration for the course Java?
Around 45 days will be there, ma'am. 45 days. Since it is a normal track, excluding holidays, you can expect 2 months. By the end of Feb, you will get finished with core Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, let me start this core Java. Actually, this core Java, we are going to plan totally in 5 modules. Okay. So what is the first module here is, so what is the first module that we are going to cover? Part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to develop any Java program, what basic things are required? Like introduction. So introduction to Java programming, how you can able to write, and steps to prepare Java application. See, if I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we need to follow, and what are the softwares required so to run Java application. So if I want to develop a simple Java program also, some basic softwares and some IDEs also required, right? Like how to download and how to install those IDEs. So how to develop a program on that, how to create a project, how you can execute the basic steps and all we are going to cover here. After that, so we will talk about the keywords and identifiers. So at any programming language, whether it may be C or Java or anything, so keywords and identifiers is a common thing. Like some words are there in Java or any other language as a fixed meaning. So those are called as keywords, and we will be having some identifiers also. And identifiers means the words which we are defining, and how to write comments, and some naming conventions which is very very important, and data types, and typecasting, how you can cast, I mean how you can convert so one type to another type. Then we have literals. Some people may use the word called constants, then operators, after that input and output statements, next, and after that selection statements, next iterative statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested loops in the sense something like inner loops. So after this we are going to see so pattern programming, like how to prepare the patterns. So in these fundamentals also we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes, like on each and every topic. So we will be having a quiz, so you can participate, and it is a interactive based quiz. Like questions will be displayed on my screen, and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that. And the leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So who is going to come first? It is a kind of challenging and more tricky questions will be there in this quiz for every topic. And even coding based questions also will be there. Like some programs I'm going to solve, and some programs I will give as assignment for you to practice, and I will use some hacker rank link, so with almost 100 plus programs, just for practice purpose you can practice these things. So this is nothing but a part 1 fundamentals we have. So we will spend maximum time on this. In this time period I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java, right? That's why maximum time we will spend on these fundamentals. Once if you are clear with fundamentals, remaining things will become very easy. This is nothing but the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So whatever you will type the program, that the program will get us Prakash, or how it is?
No,
that
no. What is your question? I'm not getting you properly, sir. Can you please repeat?
no, my question is that let's say you are typing the program as part of the each of the topic, right?
Yes.
So that program, how you will provide means you will share that program to us or
Yeah. We are going to share a running notes. You can see here. It is a previous batch running notes. Like
oh,
every
okay,
program I'm going to type and I will copy paste the outputs also and I will
okay,
share.
okay.
See here.
Okay.
Everything I'm going to type and I will execute. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, one more thing, like for the Java practice programs, like, how these program softwares you will be providing to us?
Yeah. So software is not required, sir. Just once if you install, see these coding based questions, it is a something like problem statement only I'm going to give. You have to type in your mission and you need to send answers to me. So whereas coming to the quiz, it is online based quiz. Like I'm going to share I'm going to display the questions on my screen and you have to attempt that one. Okay. Then last one, hacker rank link. It is a tool, sir. It is a platform, online platform. I will show you how it is going to work. Once if the topics got completed, I will show you how you can execute the programs. Okay.
Okay.
If you want 1 second, I will show you one thing. Yeah, you can see it is a demo link actually. It may not work. 1 second. Yeah, you can see it's a kind of a platform, sir. I'm going to give this link for you people. You have to practice in this. So almost more programs will be there here. You can see like this. Just you need to select any one program and you have to click on solve. You can see, so question will be there as well as constraints and some sample test cases also I'm going to give. You have to type the program and you need to run the code to check whether it is working or not. If it is working, just you need to click on submit button. See, in this, you can expect basic level programs to advanced level programs. So maximum basic level programs will be there and some moderate programs also will be there. Top level programs around 100, sorry, 10 or 15 like that, it will be there. And very, very important, sir, the people who are there in final year or pre-final year, for that, this course is going to be helpful. I mean, this coding practice. So these things are going to be helpful. Okay, sir, clear? Sir, clear everyone? Any other questions in these fundamentals?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you provided us a video, recorded video?
Yes. Once if the session got completed, we are going to share the video on the same day night itself. Okay.
Okay.
And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session completed, maximum try to revise the video as early as possible. Okay. It will be in your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be deleted. Sir, any other questions on fundamentals? If you are clear, then we will move to the next one. What about arrays strings? Yeah. Arshit, please wait. Just I discussed only part 1 of our Java. Just only syllabus. And one more thing, let me show you that quiz platform also, so that you can get some clarity. So it is a previous batch video. Just we are going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz will be there. You can see. So the questions are going to be displayed on my screen. Student has to select the answer, and finally we are going to decide who is going to come first next, like that. So this platform I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts, we are going to see different patterns. This is part 1, sir. Okay. Now coming to this Java part 2. In this part 2, main important topic, like object oriented programming, that is nothing but object oriented programming we are going to see in these we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics are there. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so factory methods, okay, instance factory methods, static factory methods, so static block, instance block, like a number of things will be there in this. Okay, I don't want to type each and everything. And in these output based output based questions also we are going to discuss, like once if the session got completed, I'm going to show some 5 or 6 questions, you need to judge the answer. Okay, and after this, very important here, interview questions are very important, because majority of the companies are going to ask the questions only based on these oops. So that's why I will focus mainly on oops concepts. So the second priority after learning fundamentals, you need to get more priority on these oops concepts. Then part 3, once if it is oops completed, then we are going to see so containers in Java, like how you can able to hold the data. So for that we have some special utilities are there, and the strings are there, and the collections are there. So what is the purpose of these strings? These are containers, like array can contain some data, so it can contain some data, and collections also a group of objects. Like these are the containers, and we are not required to think anything about this. So this is the most easiest part in the Java, but but all are we are not required to do anything. So for arrays, predefined support is there. For strings, we have 4 classes are there, like string buffer, string builder, string buffer. Then collections, we have array list, linked list, so list, set, map, dictionary, like that we have a number of things are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So this is nothing but part that we have. Okay, and so part 4, so it's nothing but some advantages will be there. What are the other topics we have is, first advanced topic is we are going to talk about regular expressions, like so what is mean by regular expression, how you can able to develop regular expression for validations, like that. Next, wrapper classes, of course is outdated, but it is very important. Okay, these are deprecated, but they are called auto boxing, auto unboxing. This is very important, and sorry I forgot to mention. So for so I'm going to some 10 test 10 tests to give. So every test kind, okay, every test contain so 50 questions with negative marking, just for practice. You need to practice. At the end I will show you how it is going to work, and I'm not going to take live class. We'll share the link in the WhatsApp group. So I'll give the time, on the time you need to start and you need to end the exam. And on these 2 exams will be there. On strings, 2 exams will be there. Rest of the exams will be on collections. So it's a kind of a different time to introduce. And if you are thorough with this, so that you can attend any kind of interview with confidence, because everything is redefined and easiness will be there. So I forgot to share. And regular expression, wrapper classes. Next, exception handling. Next, multi. Okay. So next and after that, very important, lambda expression. These are new features. So functional interface, then stream API. So these are things. These are Java new features. And the last part, so is nothing but storage areas. Like sir, I developed one application. It is working fine by using all these concepts I developed. But I want to run this. I want to install implementation and I want to run it. And it is executing. You must prepare the data. For that, we have two things. One is file handling. Second one is database handling. For that, I will use both MySQL and Oracle. Both I am going to explain. So this is nothing but so Java syllabus what we have total. I divided it into 5 parts. So in these 5 exams will be there, fundamentals. So part 2 and part 3. For these topics, you exams will be there, and coding course will be there only for part 1. Okay, and output based questions will be there for this. And for this contents advanced Java based, we're going to develop a small, okay, small console based mini project, a small console based mini project we will develop. What are the concepts that we are understanding, that we are learning in core Java? The help of those, we will develop one project with a live, and some what you say, some ideas I will give. You can develop by your, if you have queries also, with traction, and we will do that. Okay, so this is nothing but the syllabus what we have for Java. Any queries? Yes, please, guys, any queries?
No, sir.
Sir,
No
one
response.
query is there. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, audible, please.
Do we have any fast tracks, sir?
No, sir, don't have any fast track. We don't have any fast track. Maybe you can expect in the month of February fast track batch, that too weekend.
Okay, thank you.
So hi Prakash sir. So
Yeah, hi.
again, means each of the topic you have written in the board, right? So each of the topic you have given a programmatic example.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Okay, so that program you will copy paste on the notepad
No,
and that
no,
will
no,
be
no, no, no. I'm going to type each and every program with my own hands and I will execute that program and then I will copy paste into your running notes and I will share that.
okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. And I too expect the same thing from you people. Don't copy paste my programs into your system and execute because definitely it will execute. You have to try by your own. At least 3 times you can try, 4 times you can see and you can type, but don't copy paste. At this stage it will be easy, but once if you go to the next level, it will be very difficult. That's why while learning, please learn from the scratch. That is my
Yeah,
sincere request for everyone.
sure.
So one thing, for the basic C is good enough
Sir,
for Java.
as per last 5 years back, you want to learn any programming language, so compulsory you must have an idea about something, then it will be good. Nowadays, that is not a matter, sir. The person who don't know anything about the programming language, so they can learn. So the only thing is time taking up to certain level. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just you need to put some extra concentration. That's all. So once if you came to the streamline, it will be good. Any other questions?
Sir, after this course, you have to do Spring Boot to
Yes, sir,
get
definitely.
certificate.
You need to go for frameworks if you want to be BF expert. And one more thing, just very good question. So this course is suitable for the students who don't know anything about Java. Okay, and the students who wants to learn full stack. See, nowadays corporate training institutes and everywhere full stack Java is there. The people are always looking for fast stack. So within 3 months, I want to finish full stack. It is highly possible, sir. So with practical things I'm telling, so full stack Java, if you want to learn minimum, so 8 to 9 months you need to spend. Okay, so already if you have a learned Java or some technologies like these things, then it will be very easy for maybe 6 months or 5 months. It is okay. But without any knowledge, learning full stack is very difficult. That's why first you should have a knowledge on basic things like Java, database, either MySQL or Oracle or MongoDB or anything. So one UI technology tool, one framework, one programming language. With all this stuff, if you can able to think how things are working in the background, not asking about the implementation, how it is working realistically, you have that idea, then learning will be very. Then map all things and develop the project easily. So there, while learning the frameworks, if any fact telling here auto boxing is happening, if you don't know about auto boxing, from that point, next 1 hour class you won't understand. So the fundamentals are really important. So the people who don't know anything about Java or any other database. So for them it will be useful. And the people who are in final year, pre-final year, or freshers with 1 year experience, for them it will be very useful. And the people who are taking their domain are the people who wants to shift from non-IT to IT sector. So people have to learn frameworks also because for freshers, company people are going to give some training period on the frameworks how it lies. So but for experienced, the frameworks they want guidance. So company, the people who are experienced, they need frameworks in addition to this. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yep, everyone. Right. So next, just I start one talk. Of course, 3 to 4 will be there. There we will discuss about the syllabus of these technologies. Okay, where is okay, and Oracle I will show you. So then advanced Java, advanced Java. These syllabus I will explain in the next coming sessions because complete syllabus are going to take. So now I'm going to start one small topic, not the topic. I will start one practical talk. So I'm able to understand and you will feel that how Java will be okay. Is it possible for us to understand like that? You can okay. So the first topic, intro part I explain. The topic is nothing but data type. So with your what is mean by data type? Just at least by seeing the name, okay, or by seeing the words, and you can like that, right? So tell me by data type. At least you can get. Okay, fine. So we use the word call. So data type represents the type of data that we are using in our Java program. Okay. Sir, what type of data you are using in your program is decided by data type. Sir, is the definition is okay? Please, definition is okay.
Yes.
Right. Can you please examples? Definitely. Sir, here I'm to give. I want to represent weight person. Sir, weight is almost integers, sir. I'm taking like weight is equal to you. 82 is what type of data? Integer. Have you observed? I used one special word called int. Int means what here? Integer. Int means what here? Integer. So it is one data type. It is one data type. Next, percentage is equal to 5.56. Type of data it is float. Float means it is also number, but points representation will be there, like total price, height of a person. These are things we measure by using points, right? Hence, what as what percentage? Similarly, so I want to take one person name as a Kalyan. Have you observed? It is nothing but names. Sir. Whose name? A person name. It is considered as. So these are nothing but what? Data types. So name is holding what type of data? A sequence of characters. Hence I use a word called string. Sir, 75.56. It is a float point value. So point representation. So for that, there is one separate name is there called float. Sir, 82. It is a number, numeric value. Hence it is like we have. Clear, guys? Sir, any questions from this? Everyone, please respond. Please be active. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, in the above example, sir, int, float, string are data types. What type of data we are using is nothing but data types. Now I will give one small a mini project kind of thing, like one case study. So one case study. So we will analyze. What is that is I'm taking employee management system like that one EMS software I want to develop. While developing this, I come across various types, sir. Okay, like sir, I noticed that employee ID we are using. I noticed that employee name will be there. Okay. So employee name will be there. So next one after that, every employee associated with the sum, email ID. So every employee associated with the sum, salary. So every employee is having gender like male. Or what about mobile number? Don't tell it is integer, it is a string, because so if you store mobile numbers, you're going to do addition, right? You will use only for separate. Yes, happily we can take. There is no problem at all. Okay. So other C type, it is also the designation what type is also type. A small note I'm going to cover. What is note is in Java, not in Java, in all programming languages, the most commonly used data type is string, sir. Very, very important. If you learn very Java, happily you can sign in the integer, because maximum concepts will be based on string. So up to this, whatever. Do you have any questions? Please.
Sir, in Boolean, it should be true or false.
Again?
Sir, in Boolean, we have values of true and false. Huh?
Yes. For your understanding, I have given like this. So later we will change. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Right.
Sir, why we are using character for gender?
Madam, male or female, M or F. Some people may use called male. Okay. So or female, like that you will type. Comparison will take some time. If I use M and then F, comparison is very easy, right? Have you observed, madam? It is how many characters? 4 characters. This one is how many characters? 6. But these two are one character. Space wise. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys? Sir, any queries? That's all.
No,
This
sir.
is nothing. That's all. This is nothing but today's demo. So tomorrow also demo will be there. Okay, just today I explained only the syllabus part and just introduction to data type. Tomorrow we will see that UI technologies syllabus and then continuation of these data types. Okay, like that 4 demos will be there. After that regular classes will be there. Again, before closing the session, I am telling what is the timings of this session. The timings is not 9 o'clock. Remember, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. sessions will be. Yes, please confirm.
From two.
No, only for regular classes. Demos will be there as usual.
Okay.
So demos are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So today first class, right? That's why I am running 45 minutes. Okay.
So regular class we have Monday to Friday.
Yes, Monday to Friday. This week classes will be from 9 to 10, sir. From Monday onwards, your classes will be from 8 to 9. Okay.
That is regular class, sir.
Yes, sir. Regular.
Okay, so not before that. You're not starting before that. Huh?
No. Okay.
So the classes will start Monday onwards. Otherwise, it's only a demo which we are going to attend from 9 to 10.
Yes. In the demos, whatever I am telling, I won't repeat in the regular class. So you can treat it as normal. Already we started. Okay.
Okay.
And if you're having any queries, we will spend some time on clarification session. I mean, 8 to 9 7 will be there, right? 9 to 20 or 9 15 like that. If any student is having any problem or any content, we will spend some time. But whole class I am not going to repeat. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Fine, guys. See you in the tomorrow session. Same link, same time. See you tomorrow. No, please join 5 minutes before. Okay? Thank you. Good night. Bye. So right here, that is yesterday, we started a new add-on batch. Okay. The title of the course is Java package. The course you are going to get in this base Java package is around 4 courses you are going to get, like core Java, then advanced Java, then UI technologies, Oracle 19C. These 4 courses you'll get along with one mini project in basic Java package. The duration of the course is 4 months, January, February, March, April. Maximum by the end of April, we will complete this batch. So fees for this batch is 12,000. Actual timing of this session is not from 9 o'clock, sir. Is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Means I'm going to explain each and every concept in this 1 hour duration. So with a clear explanation by taking some time. So in this, there are two courses. You can select only Java if you need. Fees for that is 5,000. So the people who wants to complete this complete new project, complete front end to back end, if you want to learn except frameworks, you can go with basic Java package, which includes 4 courses. The fee is nothing but 12,000. Okay. One more very important conclusion. So yesterday I forgot to mention. So our batch is from 8 p.m. I can try to be leave 1 hour before, 1 hour after. That means so sometimes I may plan this UI technologies from 7 to 8 and some plan RNDC maximum chance are there. That's why so parallel when core Java completed, so before starting this advanced Java, in the middle of core Java or in the ending of core Java, I will announce other batch UI technology. I mean, so you people will join in that. Please maintain this kind of thing because this is very important. At a stretch we are going to see. So maximum 2 timing slots will be there. Core Java, advanced Java is going to finish it from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. So if possible, I will take y and R90 from 8. So mean gap also will there will be continuation. So in the cases, I will 45 minutes for UI. Okay, then 15 to 20 minutes. After that, our core Java class is going to be started. Like that, plan will be there. Maybe all these things will be discussed. So in the middle of core Java, till completion of the fundamentals, there won't be any disturbance. There won't be parallel batches. So your demo, I need to give this information. Right. And coming to yesterday, I explained courses which contains almost 5 parts. In the first part, we are going to see fundamentals, some quizzes and coding programs and hacker ranking. In the second program, we are around 50 we are going to cover with the output-based questions and also interview questions and containers like arrays, strings, collection framework, generics, everything will come here. So in this round, we are going to plan 10. So every test contains 50 multi-choice questions with you marking just to test your marks. So if you get 0 marks, we want to test. It is a kind of revision for people. So you are reading stack and queue. For stack and queue, we have TMs, test with effort. So just need to read code to select the answer. Time will be there, time duration will be there, and even going to have a kind of negative marking so that you will select the correct answer. So you put your mind. That's okay. And part 4 advanced topics where regular expressions, wrapper classes, explaining multi-thread, and some Java new features like lambda expressions, functional interface, stream API, all are predefined things. Next in part 5, storage areas will be there like file handling, database handling. So by concluding this, we will see a small console-based mini project also. So this is nothing but details of the course what we are going to cover. So if you are having any queries to this, please let me know. No queries, right? So clear,
Sir, in that there, which
very good question. Actually, this is a wrong question, sir. Don't be a separate for different versions. The syllabus is common, sir. In versions, we are going to get some new features. Like we have 23 to 24 versions are there. In every version, some new concepts will be added. Beyond that, there won't be any change. But those small, minute changes we will ignore because it is not research here, right? So why small things we are not going to focus. So the main stable versions are there, like Java 8, Java. Please confirm, clear. Guys, please respond.
yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So next one. So what is mean by ASCII? Anyone can you please tell me what is the full form of ASCII? So the languages like C, C++, even Java also sometimes uses ASCII codes. What is the full form of ASCII? Full form. So American Standard
Interface code.
Code for Information
Interchange.
Interchange. So for every character present in the keyboard, we have a separate notation will be there. Some numerical values will be there. Okay. So that is nothing but like if you take a school or college or something like that, for every person a unique number will be there, right? Numbers like that. So in keyboard for every character we have a special code will be there. That code is called as ASCII code. It is always English alphabets, okay, special characters, digits like that. But sir, I want to use the characters like Telugu alphabets, Tamil alphabets, In worldwide, how many alphabets are there? Everything I want to develop. Then for that we have Unicode is there. Unicode means what? Universal code. So we have two types of standards are there in Java. So based on the scenario we will use. Anyway, we are going to write always console based applications, right? Maximum we will use ASCII only, but I will show you how to work with Unicode characters also. Now, sir, one more question for you people. I have A is equal to 123 is there. So I have B is there. Can you please confirm both are integers? Am I right, sir?
No. Second would be
Both A and B are integers. Correct?
so second would be big integer.
Yeah, of course it is also integer, right?
Yeah.
So because you can see minus infinity to plus infinity, everything will comes under what? Integer only. So what is the answer for this question? Yes. Now second question. So which variable in the sense ERB, which variable ERB? Okay. So takes more space. Tell me which is going to take more space among these two? ERB.
B.
B. Why? Because a big data is there, right? So it is very difficult to hold. So we need more memory, more space. So which variable ARB takes less time for accessing? Immediately it is going to respond. Which variables are ARB?
A.
A. Clear? Why? Because
It
content is less, right?
occupy less space.
Yes. So which variable takes more time to access? B. Correct? So in these four questions, you can see we are differentiating these two, but both are integers. So that's why what Java people decided is, so they have divided, array, what kind of value you are using. Based on the scenario, these integers are again divided into four types. Like we have byte, we have short, we have int, we have long. How many types are there? Four types. Similarly, these real values, also divided into how many types? Two types. One is the float, another one is double. So the next one is nothing but characters. How many types are there? Only one type, CHER. And what is the next one? We have Boolean. So there is no division called Boolean. So integers are divided into how many types? Four types. Real values are divided into how many types? Two types. Characters are divided into how many types? Only one type, because there is no division. Limited characters only are there. And Boolean also only true or false. That's why there is no division. So at the bottom level, total how many data types are there? At the top level, so we have four data types. Okay, at ground level, at the bottom level, so we have 8 data types are there. Sir, you need to remember this like anything. Okay, total how many data types are there? 8. 4 integers, 2 floating point values, 1 character, 1 boolean. And for these 8 primitives, 8 wrapper classes are there. Sir, what is mean by wrapper classes? Just now I told. This is primitive, this is object form, right? This one is called as a wrapper class. Okay, total how many primitives are there? 8 primitives. In Java, except these 8 primitives, everything is object. Why can't we convert these 8 primitives also into object form? In that point, there are 8 wrapper classes are there. Okay, sir, are you clear up to this theory part, whatever I covered? Please confirm. I request everyone to please open your mouth and speak.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are going to see the properties of every data type. Okay. So properties of these data types. What properties? So for every data type, we have a name. We have a name is there, and we have some keyword name is also there. Like what keyword is there. Next, for everything I told wrapper class also will be there. Next, how much size it is going to occupy memory, how much size it is going to occupy. So what is the range, like what is the minimum value, maximum value, and what is the default value. Like for every data type we are going to discuss these properties. Okay, so now let me take the first one. What is the first one? Byte data type. For this byte data type I want to talk about, so these properties. Okay, so let me take. Sir, what is the data type name for this? It is nothing but integers. What is the keyword name? Byte, B-Y-T-Y, byte. Sir, B is always a small letter. What is a wrapper class name? Byte only. Listen carefully. So I have byte B. Okay, so I have byte like this. What is the difference between these? It is a primitive. What about this one? It is an object. Have you observed? Both are seems to be same. Case is very very important. So if you are taking like this, it is what things are? It is object. If you are taking like this, it is primitive. Like that we have. Sir, everyone got the difference? Please confirm. Clear?
Why are we converting primitive into wrapper class?
I told right, ma'am. Just we can't transfer the objects like that, right? See, I'm taking
Okay.
now class in my home, just sitting in my chair, and I'm wearing short and t-shirt. So same style is not allowed in corporate training or in the classroom physically, right, ma'am?
Yes.
So you can consider the thing which I am taking like now is a primitive. Up to certain level, it is okay. But once if you want to move on in the society, there should be some particular format, clear shirt and pant, in shirt, and you need to take the class in a polite manner like that. Got it?
Yeah, the chocolate example you gave,
Ah, yes,
like it's
yes,
been
same
wrapped.
thing, same thing.
Okay.
Object means what? It can transfer across the network. World need the data in the form of object only.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, right, ma'am. So what about size? We know in the computer memory, we will always measure the size in terms of bits. Bits means what? Binary digit. Okay. Like a group of bits is called as byte. A group of bytes is called as KB. So group of KBs is called as MB, like that sizes will be there. But byte, how much size it is going to occupy? It will occupy 1 byte. 1 byte means how many bits? So 8 bits will be there. What is the range? Now I will show you how to calculate the range. Minus 128 to, so plus 127. So what is the default value? 0. So this is nothing but properties what we have. First data type in the integer classification is nothing but what? Byte. What is a wrapper class name? Byte. How much size it is going to occupy? 1 byte. Means what? 8 bits. What is the range? Minus 128 to plus 127. So what is the default value? 0. I hope if you are clear with all these concepts, how this range is calculated. So in a physical mathematical formula, I will explain. Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Clear, guys? Everyone, please confirm.
Okay.
Okay. Still, if you are getting confusion, one small code I am writing. Listen. Byte B is equal to 111. It is a number, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now consider I have a container, like I have a list. List dot add of B means immediately we will get error. So same thing, byte B is equal to, so new byte of 111. If you take like this, and if you take list dot add of B means, so it will add, no error. So why, what is the reason? This one is object. This one is a primitive. Got it?
Okay.
Just as of now, remember like this, remaining things anyway we will see. There is, it is second session only, right? We have so much of content is there. There we will talk about that. You will get more clarity. In the collections, I will explain that, okay?
Okay.
Clear? Sir, everyone clear? Yeah. Right. So now, I'm going to take one small diagram. See, what I'm going to take here is just I want to calculate minimum and maximum value for byte. See how many bits will be there for one byte. Anyone tell me?
8.
8 bits.
Good. 8 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits are there. Just I want to make a duplicate copy of this. Why? Because one is to hold minimum value. So another one is to hold maximum value. Suppose if it is a bit, how many values are allowed in this? Only two values, either 0 or 1. Correct? Please confirm.
Yes.
See, if
The
I'm
data gets
taking,
stored in binary.
yes, if I'm taking all zeros, it will be definitely minimum. Correct? If I'm taking all ones, it is nothing but maximum. Will you accept this? See, if I want to get minimum value of any data type, we will put all zeros in this. If you want to get maximum value, we will put all ones, because 0 is the minimum, 1 is the maximum, right? Clear, guys? Right. One more point. See, I'm removing this last bit. Why? Because in binary terms, this last bit is meant for sign. Maximum value means definitely it will be always positive. If it is a positive number, we have to take 0 here. If it is a negative number, minimum means negative only, right? So we have to take 1. So while calculating, you should ignore this, because it is purely meant for what? Sign purpose. Okay, and this bit is called as MSB, most significant bit. If MSB bit is 0, it is a positive number. If MSB bit is 1, it is a negative number. Clear with the theory part? Next one, it is a positive. So binary number means what? Only two digits will be there, 0 and 1. That's why this bit is 2 power 0, this bit is 2 power 1. So 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. If you calculate, so 2 power 0 value is 1. So 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. So next 16, then 32, and then 64. So if you add all these things, we will get 127, sir. And the sign is what? Plus. That's why the positive value for byte is nothing but what? Plus 127. So this is nothing but what we have. Clear, guys? Everyone clear? Please respond so that I will go for next one and I will conclude today's session.
Yes, sir.
And just for your reference purpose, I am telling this. No need to remember these or no need to by heart all these things, because we have a predefined tools to calculate max and min. But how internally it is generated, I am explaining. Okay. So coming to this, sir, 2 power 0. So 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. So 2 power 5, 2 power 6. But all are zeros. See, if it is a positive number, directly you can convert. If it is negative number, somewhere I think in your course